Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, open Devices Settings and tap on Biometrics and Password after scrolling down. From here, you need to choose Lock Screen Password and tap on Change Unlock Method. Then select the best one for you, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. I will go with pattern. And create your login method. When you're ready, you need to repeat it in order to confirm it. And tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now, if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by tapping on Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions. I will go with Cancel though. So now, when I click on Home button, turn off my screen, and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!